Hey guys, so I've been changing a few things on the circuit. Nothing's changed, it's just added the Schottky diodes like before. I've just moved them up here a little bit. Just put an extra little board on it just to make it easier to hook stuff up without it touching each other. And here's an extra one right here, which gets rid of. So this is the original one, 0 to 5408 rectifier diodes. I think these are 5399. No, these are a little faster switching. 0. $20. 207s FR. So that's why I was trying to block some of those spikes that were coming back out of the output battery with these. It helped quite a bit. And now with this circuit here, I don't get anything really coming back out. I don't see both of these lights. I only see one lighting, which is going out to the battery. I should be able to turn that on. Here's the voltage of this. Nothing's changed. I've did a little bit of testing with this battery. It's gone down a little bit. Nothing's been charged though, besides the circuit doing it itself. 26.39. I originally started with 26.36 quite a long time ago. A few cycles of this machine. This is the output battery voltage, 57.47. I don't remember where that one was. So that one's resting there. It's been there for quite a while. These are the Schottky's I put in the system. 20 amp, 200 volt. So let me just see here. I'm going to put this through the diodes and through the LEDs here on the output. See, I'm gonna need them light. Yeah, just one. That's all you can see is just one light. It used to be where the second one would light up a little bit. And you can see that's blocking everything trying to come back out of the battery. So I'll hook it up through these LEDs. It's a lot harder to light them with this circuit here now. It's like I have to let it rest and it'll start if I let it sit for a bit. And see all the lights are on. The 3 on the left up here are the power coming out. 3 on the right are the power going back in. And there's 3 are paralleled on the left and the 3 on the right are paralleled, and they're opposite to each other, opposite polarity. The circuit won't even light if there was a diode coming out. It won't even start. It has to be able to return to the battery for the circuit to work. And there's the current being drawn. You can hardly even see it move when it turns on. So just bypass all the LEDs and let it run. So you'll use a little more. Since I bypassed that LED, it'll use a little more current. and Peru's stronger on the output. See, those lights will be a bit brighter. Pretty equal though. And when I put it direct, it's going to use a bit more power than what it used to use, but it also puts out a lot more than what it used to. So here. So I'm going to leave it run. Just going to fine tune the circuit a little bit. These shotkeys seem to be pretty good for this stuff. Definitely doesn't work with a pulse motor, but it works with this stuff. With a pulse motor, you're best to use rectifier diodes. Those 5408s work good for that stuff. But just want to do the update on this anyway. Still working at it. But thanks for watching, guys.